I'm Jenny Patient from South Yorkshire Climate Alliance, and I'm here at the Council today to ask a question. We wrote a written question, submitted it to the Council, asking them about how much of the carbon budget had been used. Sheffield had set a carbon budget when they said they wanted to respond to the climate emergency in 2019, and the answer that came back is very disturbing, because 54% of the total budget to 2100 has been used. So that means that in 7 years we've used half the budget, and then we have another half our all-time carbon budget to last us for the next 75 years. This obviously shows that there hasn't been the achievement of carbon reduction that's needed in Sheffield. And the kind of things where that mainly needs to happen is housing, and keeping housing warm without having to use lots of fossil fuels. It's about transport and people being able to move around the city using active travel or buses or trams, so that they don't have to use cars and fossil fuels. And it's about things like food and nature, so that we're actually producing more of our own food, restoring nature, and making our city a happier, healthier place to live, as well as having a very low, disappearing carbon footprint. And instead of that, what seems to happen, my supplementary question is looking at why are we investing, why are we putting public money into arms factories and very high-tech but high-carbon industries that don't actually produce many jobs. They're very, we have to invest a lot of money to get them to come to Sheffield, and basically they are completely incompatible with what the children of our city need for a survivable future. So my supplementary question to the Council today is to say, are you going to explain this to the people of Sheffield, that we only have this limited carbon budget, that we have a climate catastrophe happening? Yesterday it was in the news that the Arctic is 20 degrees higher temperature at the moment than it should be in the middle of winter. So it's all happening around us. It's going to continue to affect our lives, and the things they need to do are to put that investment into homes, food, transport, and making a resilient city, and the education, the care, the health care that goes with that, and the care for nature, which should be written into everything we do. So that's why I'm here asking a question today.